going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a really exciting video. We actually got a new build. Let's go pick it up. So we just made it to IAA in Houston, Texas. About a 12-hour drive. There's the car we got right there. It's a 2015 Nissan GTR. Alright guys, here it is, the 2015 Nissan GTR. We just got it loaded up. Now we just need to strap this car down and hit the road. We'll check it out once we get home. So we got the car nice and secure. We got two straps in the front to both front wheels, and then we have two nice straps over here to the rear subframe. Let's go ahead and hit the road. So after 20 hours of driving, we finally made it back to the shop. Now it's time to just unload this thing and catch you guys back tomorrow because I'm tired. I need some sleep. So let's go ahead and get these ramps all set up and see if this thing can drive off, because the suspension over here is kind of bent up. But I think we can send it and all-wheel drive. It'll work. Let's do it. Into the details of how bad this car is wrecked. So we have a little bit of damage up here. The front bumper is scuffed up pretty bad. It did have a clear bar on there, which kind of saved some of the scratches, but the fender is also has a little bit of dents. It looks like he hit a concrete wall or something because just the way the damage is up here. And then in the back we have all the serious damage. We have some major suspension damage, and the quarter panel is obviously destroyed. The rear bumper is going to be replaced too because it is just absolutely, all the brackets are destroyed on it. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the trunk. We got some fender liners. I guess the insurance company actually took everything apart. We got the fender liners. Got a tail light. I think we can probably fix this tail light. It has one broken tab right there, which isn't too bad because these things are pretty expensive. And then we also have the old headlight, which is awesome because we get all the other stuff that comes with it, like the ballast is, I think, not really too sure, but there it is. We might be able to fix that with a little bit of flex tape or something. We'll have to get into that later, but let's go ahead and see what else is in here. All right, I guess we have some more fender liners. Get all this stuff out of here. I'm guessing this is a part of the rear trunk right here. Oh yeah, it is. And then we have the air duct, I'm guessing for the front oil cooler right here. And then some skid plates. All right, let's get everything else out. Got another skid plate. I'm guessing this goes on the bottom of the car. Does have a little bit of damage right there. Definitely be getting a new one of these. No idea what it is, but we will be. Go ahead and get everything out of there. That's good. All the parts are actually in there. Usually insurance companies would just take all the parts out and just leave them out of the car, but I got really lucky with this car. Now I want to pop off this rear bumper and just zip tie it on with these metal zip ties. So let's go ahead and pop this rear bumper off and see what's the damage under there. All right, got the bumper off. Pretty sure this thing might be able to be fixed, but I'm not really too sure on it. We might get a new bumper. This thing's pretty destroyed. We're off, and now we can see this thing actually has a titanium Attribution exhaust, which is really nice. I heard these things sound amazing, but the damage back here isn't really too bad. Basically just the whole quarter panel needs to be replaced back here. Doesn't really look like they hit the frame rails or any of that, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now let's go ahead and see the interior. Check this out, Nissan GTR. So in the interior, all we have is just two airbags are deployed. We have the roof airbag and the seat airbag, which shouldn't be too big of a problem. Pretty easy to replace, pretty easy to get to. So now that we've seen all the damage on this car, let's go ahead and jack up this rear, get this rear rim off and see how bad the damage is under there. I'll probably want to straighten out some of those control arms so we can drive the car around a lot better, because right now it does not really drive that good, and we will be putting it on the frame soon. So let's go ahead and get this wheel off and see what's going on under there. So we got the wheel off, and now I see exactly what's bent. It's just this tie rod right here. Looks like it's pretty thin. So we're gonna go ahead and take that piece off, straighten it out, put it back on, just so we can move the car a lot better when we're putting it on the frame machine, so we're not rushing. And we'll go ahead and place an order on that. So let's get that thing off and get it straightened. All right, we got the control arm off. Now we're basically just gonna hammer it down, straighten it out, just so we can move the car. Looks good. There we go, guys. Basically OEM. We will be replacing this later, but I just want to get the wheels straight for now. Let's go ahead and slap this thing back on and take it up the road. So we got the control arm back on there. Now we're gonna put the wheel back on there and see how it lines up. Hopefully it fits. Oh. There we go, nice and straight. It's ready for the drag strip. Alrighty. straightened out, and it's pretty crazy. Just one control arm was bent like a banana, but we took a sledgehammer to it, straightened it all out. Now the wheel is sitting nice and straight. Now the next thing we need to do is go ahead and start stripping this car down, because we will be replacing this entire quarter panel with a brand new OEM quarter panel, which means we're gonna have to take these glass out, take both of the glasses out, and we're gonna have to take out some of the interior parts. We need to get the seat out, and obviously the current airbag is blown, so we might as well just go ahead and strip the entire interior out and get ready for new airbags. So let's go ahead and strip everything out and get this thing ready for some new parts. Got the Recaro seat out, and as you can tell, it is ripped pretty bad, so we'll have to take it off the actual seat, the cover, and get it shipped out so somebody can resell it. And now we're going to go ahead and move into the interior. We need to go ahead and start stripping down everything, get the seat belts out. I'm pretty sure I want to go with the red seat belt because I think it'll match the car really good, plus all the red accents. So let's go ahead and continue inside. The entire interior disassembled. We got all the airbags out, the roof out. Now we need to move on to cutting out the windows. It's gonna be pretty easy. We got this nice gun right here. It's gonna cut the window out real quick. So let's go ahead and cut this one out and this one. So we got both windows out of the GTR. Now it's time to move on to the rear trunk area. We need to go ahead and remove everything because the way this quarter panel is replaced is right here on the side. There's a seam down here and inside here. So let's get this trunk off and get everything out of here so we don't burn anything when we're welding it. So we got the entire car stripped down. We got a lot of parts just chilling everywhere. But check it out in the back. We got all the seats out. everything is basically ready to go ahead and change this quarter out exactly how the factory recommends it right here, and just the spot welds, and then up here. So it's gonna be a pretty simple procedure to replace this quarter panel. We also went ahead and took everything out of the trunk, so that looks really good in there. And that's it. Basically just needs to go on the frame machine, pull it out a little bit more, and get that replaced. All right guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We got the entire GTR all stripped down. Now we know exactly what parts we need to order. This build should be pretty quick. There's not a lot of damage. It's a simple quarter panel and a simple fender repair. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram at vTuned. Thanks for watching.